Hi everyone, Matthew here at AAWeatherWatch with our week ahead video brief, taking a look at the weather through the course of the coming week, obviously the final full week of April, Monday the 24th through to Friday the 28th. And we have some active weather within the short term. As was signalled on Friday, a change to colder weather was expected to start this week, and that is now taking place. The satellite imagery shows a relatively weak weather front moving southwards across the country at the moment. That is bringing some patchy rain and showers, whilst certainly not bringing any heavy rain. Importantly, what it is doing is introducing a much colder air from the north. As you can see on satellite imagery, the cloud is generally moving from the north to the south, and this again indicating this change to a cold north or northwesterly wind, bringing some below average temperatures and perhaps even some wintry precipitation too over the next day or so. However, I bring your attention to this region of relatively cloud-free skies to the west of Ireland within the North Atlantic, and this is an area of high pressure. This region of higher pressure will approach towards the end of the week. As a result, temperatures will recover somewhat by the time we get to Thursday and Friday, and also the weather will become more settled as well. So essentially a week of two halves. Taking a quick look at latest rainfall radar images just to highlight the weather front in question. It is associated with this region of rain and showers here, stretching right across into the Irish Sea. It is behind this that a drop in temperature is taking place, particularly across central and northern areas of the country now, and as you can see also now developing across Ulster and again more northern areas is some locally heavy showers. These will turn increasingly wintry. A mixture of rain, hail, sleet and snow is possible. The snow primarily across higher ground, mind, given the time of year now, but it will become increasingly cold across many areas through the rest of Monday, this being accentuated as well by a developing fresh or strong north or northwesterly wind. And as we progress into this evening, behind this weather system the showers will continue, but it will also turn quite cold with frost and some icy patches tonight. So let's take a look at some forecast weather charts now to put the details onto the forecast in the coming days. This weather system here, the weather front, is a cold front, and again, as the name implies, it is behind this weather front where the colder air is following. So through the rest of Monday, as I've indicated, sunshine and showers developing, especially across the northeast wintry, and then following on tonight, a cold night with frost and some icy patches. As we move through into Tuesday, and essentially it is another day of sunshine and scattered showers. High pressure situated to the west of the country means that the northerly wind will continue across many areas. Yes, there will be some bright and sunny intervals in between the showers, but again the showers locally heavy with hail, perhaps even a rumble of thunder, and falling sleet and snow still, especially across northern areas. Frost and icy patches possible both early and late in the day. We move through towards the middle of the week, and this is when the higher pressure will become a little bit more influential from the west. It will begin to arrive from the west and build into the country, so with the exception perhaps a few showers still possible on Wednesday, but otherwise it will become increasingly fine and settled through the course of the day. And just having a quick look at both Thursday and Friday's weather charts, and you can see high pressure very close nearby, so another fair day on Thursday. Temperatures recovering somewhat as well as the northerly wind begins to get cut off, so a little milder towards Thursday, but temperatures still only average at very best towards the end of the week. And quickly just look at Friday's weather chart. At the moment in time, weather systems may begin to approach towards the end of the day, but at the moment as things stand, Friday is forecast to be another reasonable day with some bright or sunny spells and predominantly dry for most areas. Just taking a quick look at the temperatures now through the course of the coming week. Through the rest of Monday, as you can see, temperatures this afternoon no higher than around about 7 or 8 degrees across the far south, and temperatures, as I've indicated, dropping away from the north. This evening and overnight, through into Tuesday, temperatures quite comfortably down towards just 1 or 2 degrees, perhaps even nearing freezing, so again a risk of frost and some icy patches. Through the course of Tuesday, temperatures no higher than around about 7 to 9 degrees Celsius. That's certainly 3 or 4 degrees below average at least, and again that accentuated by chilly north or northwesterly wind. Through into Tuesday night, into Wednesday in particular, as you can see, temperatures near if not sub-zero across inland areas on Tuesday night, so again a frost and some icy patches certainly possible as we move through into Wednesday. Temperatures on Wednesday again generally no higher than around about 6, 7 or 8 degrees Celsius, but clearly with some sunshine it will feel a little bit milder than earlier on in the week. Another frost is possible on Wednesday night through into Thursday, and then as things stand, temperatures do recover somewhat towards the end of the week, but still quite chilly by night. But as you can see, by the time we get to Friday, temperatures perhaps up to around about 8, 9, 10 or 11 degrees more locally, which does indicate a little rise in temperatures and compared with earlier in the week, but overall for late April a particularly cold week is expected. So let's finally summarise the week ahead in our weekly weather summary. Both Monday and Tuesday progression towards quite cold weather for late April, a mixture of sunshine and scattered showers. The showers wintry at times, rain, hail, sleet and snow all possible, and it will be cold by night with frost and icy patches too. Certainly something for gardeners and growers to be aware of. Through into Wednesday, generally becoming dry and fine through the course of Wednesday with some brighter sunny spells overall. Still chilly though, especially early and late when frost is still possible. And then towards the end of the week, as things stand, high pressure will be influential, so Thursday and Friday mainly fine weather dominates to end the week with some brighter sunny spells despite variable cloud, and temperatures just increasing slightly back to nearer average, but overall it still will be quite chilly, especially for late April. So that's all the details for the rest of the week. As ever, I'll be back with you in the midweek update on Wednesday, taking a look at the details for the second half of the week. So thanks for tuning in and all the very best.